Great coffee you make, Maxwell. So what are we doing?
Be pleasant.
What's on the agenda? Oh, we are already.
Yeah. Sit up, Maxwell. I won't take a video. Nah, smile.
Smart.
Hi, everybody.
What's happening?
Yeah. I have put the camera up this morning because I had a wonderful idea. And my men here don't know about it. This is Jean here from Truelove Quilts for You. As you know, I was doing a video the other day about my friend Jen and I are going to the Pennsylvania Quilt Extravaganza Quilt Show in Oaks, Pennsylvania on Friday, September 15th. Well, I did ask Ian and Maxwell, who are so enthusiastic early in the morning. Cheer up, Maxwell. If they would like to go to the quilt show with us. And what was your response?
I like going. I really enjoy it every time I go.
And?
Why not?
Why not? Yeah, exactly.
or do I have a choice in the matter?
Do you have a choice? You do have a choice. If you don't want to go, you don't have to. But the reason I'm sitting here today, right now, and I thought I just got this idea, is I have 2 cameras.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah.
Do you want a cookie?
No. No, I have 2 cameras, and I thought, while Jen and I are doing our thing, looking at whatever and going off by ourselves, because you might not want to, just hang around, I thought what it would be nice for the folks to know that you're going to be there, if anybody wants to say hello, separate from us, and also you can video whatever you want to video.
Be fun.
Yeah, I mean, Maxwell can do the videoing, and you have to go really slow, you know that. So whatever Daddy, if there's a quilt, or if there's a vendor, or if there's somebody that, recognizes you.
Yes, or if there's beer.
Or if there's beer, there's no beer. There's no
food.
beer. There's food.
I can video Maxwell enjoying his food, because that's a very rare occurrence.
Yeah, Maxwell doesn't enjoy
We don't
food.
see that often.
No, but wouldn't that be nice? So for the most part, you're videoing, like the quilts, because then I can make a separate video of the quilts that struck you guys, and you talking about it.
I like that.
Yeah, and you can be the cameraman, but then Daddy can video you.
I often like things that are different.
Yeah. So you guys are okay with that? So Friday, September 15th, which is next week. I know you have.
I have a lot going on that week.
I know. So yeah, we have a lot going on also.
Yeah, you interrupted me with my breakfast.
Oh no, sorry.
I'm gonna have to get back to my cheesy bread.
You have your cheesy bread and your tomato.
Wonderful bread.
It is really
bread.
nice. So
tomato, English.
Yeah.
What's it called? Cotswold cheese.
Oh, we got a beautiful Cotswold cheese from a local cheese shop, and this bread from a local bakery. It's so good. But anyway, that's that. So, are you guys okay with that? That's next Friday.
Oh, okay, Mom.
Oh, okay. It'll be fine. Okay, are you awake yet? It's very early in the morning.
Yeah, I have a lot stuff going on.
You do have a lot of stuff going on, yeah. So anyway, that's
It's not really ever so early.
I know, it's not really early.
It's ever so early for you.
It is, yeah. It's very late for you. But why are you in your pajamas?
I've been busy putting...
Actually, yeah, you were. Yeah, you hung a few things for me.
Putting things on the wall in our lovely new kitchen.
Yeah, Ian hung a few things for me. Anyway, that's...
show everybody.
Are we videoing? Are we recording?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, we are. I just realized I haven't seen. Yeah, I haven't seen what we're recording. Okay. Anyway. All right. So come out to the Oaks, Pennsylvania Center. Meet Maxwell and Ian if you want.
Coffee and raspberry with butter on this amazing bread.
That's random.
That's very random. Okay, folks.
Are you gonna help me with that project? of mine?
Yes, I'm going to help you with that project.
You want to mention it?
No, I don't want to mention it. I want to have some food now. I just had a great idea, and they're going to go along with it. So they're going to film.
We'll see.
No, you're going to. You said you've committed on camera that you're going to be my cameraman, and you're going to.
That's not going to be.
He's going to be the cameraman.
You're going to be the cameraman, and Daddy's going to narrate, and I'm going to make videos of what Daddy finds interesting. Anyway, folks, hope to see you Friday, September 15th. If not Maxwell, if not in person, then we'll bring the videos to you.
Back to breakfast.
Back to breakfast. See you, bud.